Before working on your firearm, always ensure that it is unloaded and safe.
Hi, this is Caitlin. I'm here to show you how to install your ERGO Shotgun Adapter on your Mossberg 500 or 590. It'll also give you a good understanding of how to install your adapter on your Remington 870. The Mossberg adapter comes with two screws, one for installing the adapter into the receiver and the other one installing the grip into the adapter. The Remington kit comes with 4 screws. There's 2 size varieties depending on the need of your particular firearm. Items needed to complete this install will be your firearm with the existing stock removed, an ERGO Mossberg Shotgun Adapter that comes with all necessary mounting hardware, the ERGO grip of your choice, and either a screwdriver with 3/16 inch and 1/4 inch bits, or T-handles matching those sizes. If you happen to be using an ERGO receiver plate, you'll take this time to install it against the receiver before installing your adapter. Place the adapter up against the receiver. Check to make sure the fit is snug. You'll then take your 1/4 inch bit with your receiver screw and split washer to snug the adapter against the receiver. The recommended torque is 30 to 35 inch-pounds. Thread your tube into the back of the adapter. Ensure your tube is indexed, then cinch down your castle nut. Using your 3/16 inch bit, install your grip using the provided grip screw and external tooth lock washer. The recommended torque is 25 to 30 inch-pounds. All NFA rules apply when using ERGO shotgun adapters.
For more helpful tips or installation instructions, check out our YouTube channel or head over to ergogrips.net.